Welcome. Get ready to embark on a journey that will change the way you perceive mathematics. Math isn't just numbers and rules confined to textbooks and classrooms, it's so much more than that. It's a fundamental language, a universal tool, for understanding the intricate workings of our world and the universe beyond. It's the underlying logic behind the technology you use every day, like your phone, the precise calculations that ensure the stability and beauty of bridges, and the elegant repeating patterns we observe in nature, from the spirals of seashells to the branching of trees. Math trains your brain to think analytically, fostering critical thinking skills that are invaluable in all aspects of life. It empowers you to approach complex challenges and solve problems step by step, breaking them down into manageable components. Whether you're a creative artist, a meticulous engineer, or a driven entrepreneur, math sharpens your decision-making abilities and unlocks new avenues for creativity and innovation. It's a universal key, opening doors to understanding and progress across countless fields, unlocking everything from the mysteries of planetary orbits and celestial mechanics to the strategies that drive sustainable business growth and financial success. Solving math problems brings a unique sense of clarity and accomplishment, a feeling of triumph over complexity, like a detective meticulously uncovering clues to solve a captivating mystery. In this guide, we'll break down math's core ideas, demystifying complex concepts and making them accessible to everyone. We'll show you how these ideas connect to real life, demonstrating their practical applications in the world around you. By the end of this journey, you'll see math not as a daunting task, but as an exciting adventure, a thrilling exploration in logic, reasoning, and the joy of discovery. Let's start with arithmetic, the basics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These skills are the foundation for everything else in math and in life, from counting money to sharing pizza. Once you're comfortable, algebra takes things further by using symbols to represent unknowns. Algebra lets us solve for missing information like figuring out travel time or business profits. It's the grammar of math, helping us form logical sentences and model real-world situations. You use arithmetic and algebra every day, often without realizing it. Mastering these basics makes tackling more complex math possible. Practice regularly, ask questions, and build a strong foundation. These aren't just school subjects, they're essential life skills. Now let's explore geometry, a fundamental branch of mathematics that deals with shapes, sizes, and spatial relationships. It's a subject that has fascinated thinkers for centuries, from ancient Greek philosophers to modern-day scientists. Geometry is the math of shapes, space, and structure. It provides the framework for understanding the world around us, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Geometry explains everything, even the intricate patterns found in nature, like honeycombs, to city layouts, showcasing how geometric principles are applied in urban planning and design. The arrangement of streets, buildings, and parks often follows geometric patterns to optimize space and functionality. It all starts with the basics, teaching us about points, lines, and angles, the fundamental building blocks of more complex shapes and figures. Trigonometry, a specialized branch of geometry, focuses specifically on triangles and their properties, exploring the relationships between their sides and angles. With powerful tools like sine, cosine, and tangent, we can measure heights and distances indirectly, opening up a world of possibilities in surveying, navigation, and engineering. Architects, engineers, and even video game designers who create immersive virtual worlds rely on these concepts daily to bring their visions to life and solve complex problems. Trigonometry powers navigation systems, sound engineering, and medical imaging, enabling us to explore the human body with incredible precision. To truly master these topics, visualize problems and connect them to real-world examples, making the abstract concepts more tangible and relatable. Don't just memorize formulas, understand why they work, delving into the underlying principles and logic that govern them. Geometry and trigonometry reveal the hidden structure of our world, offering a deeper appreciation for the beauty and order that exists all around us. See them as tools for understanding, not just memorization, but as keys to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Next, we delve into the fascinating world of calculus, a cornerstone of modern science and engineering. It's a subject that might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it unlocks incredible insights into how things change around us. Calculus is essentially the math of change and motion. It provides the tools to analyze situations where quantities are constantly evolving, rather than remaining static. At its heart, Calculus answers fundamental questions. How fast is something changing at any given moment? What is the rate of change? And conversely, how much has accumulated over time considering those changes? Differential calculus focuses on finding those instantaneous rates of change, like determining your precise speed at a specific moment in time, rather than your average speed over a journey. Integral calculus, on the other hand, adds up those small changes to find totals, allowing us to calculate areas, volumes, and other accumulated quantities. Think of it like calculating the total amount of water that fills a pool, even if the flow rate from the hose is constantly varying. These fundamental ideas power countless fields, starting with physics and extending to all branches of engineering, as well as economics, and even the creation of stunning computer animation. Calculus builds upon the foundations of algebra and geometry, so a good understanding of those subjects is essential. It takes your mathematical understanding to the next level, providing a more powerful and versatile toolkit. It's about zooming in to examine the infinitely small for precision, and zooming out to see the big picture and understand the overall trends. But don't be intimidated. Calculus is simply the next logical step in developing the tools to describe a dynamic and ever-changing world around us. With a solid foundation in the basics, you'll be well prepared to explore its powerful ideas and unlock its potential. To succeed in math, practice consistently, don't cram. Mistakes are learning opportunities, embrace them. Focus on understanding concepts, not just memorizing formulas. Teach what you learn to someone else, it deepens your understanding. Use all resources, teachers, classmates, and online tools. If you're stuck, try a new approach or seek help. Believe your math skills can grow with effort, a growth mindset is key. Celebrate progress and stay curious. Math is everywhere, from art to sports. Connect math to your interests to make it meaningful. Math is a lifelong skill, empowering you far beyond the classroom.